we're learning a new math story problem type. So we gotta pay close attention to the numbers in our story problem and what we're trying to figure out, because those things are gonna help us to know what strategies to use. So let's look at our first story problem for the day. Mia had 114 raisins in a box. She ate some of them. Now she has 82 raisins left. How many raisins did she eat? So what's one thing we know from the story problem? Tell me. Yes, we know that she has 104 raisins in a box. And what else? She ate some of them. Do we know how much she ate? No, we don't. We just know that she ate some of them. We don't know how much. What else do we know? Yes, she has 82 raisins left in her box after she ate some. And we're trying to figure out how many raisins did she eat, because we don't know how many she ate. All right. So after we mark up our story problem, what do we need to do next? Yes, we need to represent the story problem. So let me go ahead and draw my part for a whole box. We're gonna do this one together. What's one thing we know from marking up the text? She has 114 in a box. So that's gonna represent our whole, because that's how many is in the box altogether. And 82 raisins is how many she had left after she ate them. So that's our part. And we don't know how many she ate, so that's our unknown amount. So I'm gonna do this little trick right here. That's gonna help me to write my number sentence. Minus, minus, because I can always minus my part from my whole, and plus, because I can always add my two parts to get my whole. Now, what will my number sentence look like to match my part per whole box? You are absolutely correct. I can do 82 plus my unknown part equals 114. Or I can do my whole minus my part, so 114 minus 82 equals my unknown part. Now, what strategy, or what's your strategy we can use to help us find that unknown part? Okay, so I heard some friends saying we can use count up or we can use count back. Today we're gonna practice using count up, using count. Yes, we're gonna practice using count up to help us find this unknown part. So we're gonna start with the known part, then we're gonna count up to the whole. When we count up, we start with the known part. We start with the part that we already know, and then we count up, we count to the whole. So let's start with 82. We already know 82. And then we're gonna count up till we get to 114. So I'm gonna count up by tens because it's more efficient. 82, 92, 102, 112. Should I keep going? 112, 122, 132. No? Why am I stopping right there? Yes, because I'm only counting up to 114, and we know that we have to stop and switch count because now we have enough tens, so now we have to switch to count to ones. So we have 82, 92, 102, 112, 113, 114. So I counted up 2 ones. Equals 144. Now let's count the amount that we counted up so we can see what was our missing part. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. So what was our missing part? How many raisins did she eat? Yes, 32. 3 tens, 2 ones. So today we used count up to find the missing part or unknown part. So when we use count up, we start with the known part, the part that we already know, then we count up until we get to the whole. The number that we counted up is our missing part. Today, this is the story problem you're going to do on your own using that strategy we just learned. Laura had 38 marbles in her collection. She lost some at the ark. Now she has 14 left. How many did she lose? Can't wait to see how well you use that strategy today. See you in the next video.